everyone, today I am going to read Chapter 2 The Iron Age from the book Frank Primary Social Studies Annie Matthew Class 5. It is an ICSE book. Now let's get started with reading the chapter. The Iron Age. You have learned in the earlier lesson that with the discovery of metals, the Stone Age gradually came to an end. Then began the Iron Age. The next major change in history was the discovery of iron. The period after the Bronze Age is known as the Iron Age. It was characterized by the large-scale use of iron for making tools, weapons, and ornaments. It is interesting to note that not all groups of early human beings were using the same tools all over the world. Different groups of early human beings were in different stages of development in terms of the Stone Age, Bronze Age, or Iron Age. However, better tools and weapons must have made it easier to fight other groups and lead better lives. Here is a picture showing some Iron Age tools. Advantages of iron. The early human beings found various advantages of using iron. Some of these are discussed below. Iron was much stronger than bronze and it could be shaped to form sharper objects. Unlike stone, which had to be chipped away to make different shapes, iron could be heated and hammered into the required shapes. Iron was cheaper and more easily available than bronze. Iron tools were stronger and could be used for tilling the ground for farming. Rotary quern was introduced which could powder grains to flour. The availability of iron tools and implements helped in the advancement of agriculture and spread of civilizations. Since people were primarily engaged in agriculture, the discovery of iron had a great impact upon farming. Farmers could plow soil with iron-tipped tools and implements more easily. Better farming techniques increased production, which made it possible to sell and exchange surplus crops. Here is an image that shows an ancient rotary quern that is made of iron. The discovery of iron had another major advantage. It became possible for people to spend more time on other activities such as weaving, spinning, making ornaments, and pottery. Here are illustrations that show ancient tools and an earthen pot. Think and answer. Can you tell what these tools could have been used for? Do and learn. Be an archaeologist. Refer to the internet and find out more about ancient burial sites. Prepare a PowerPoint presentation and share with the class. In India, the Iron Age saw the emergence of a large number of kingdoms both in the north and the south of India. And that is the end of the chapter. Now let's do vocabulary. To be a typical quality or feature of someone or something. Quern, a simple hand mill for grinding grains with two circular stones. Rotary, turning around a fixed point. Tilling, to prepare land for putting seeds in the ground so that they will grow there. Now let's have a quick recap. The Iron Age. It is under different heads. Advantages of using iron, development of rotary querns, and kingdoms. So, under advantages of using iron, there are three heads: stronger than bronze, cheaper, better tools. Under kingdoms, there are two heads in South India and North India. Now, I am going to show you the back exercises of the next page. There are three exercises A, B, and C. And we are going to solve this in the next video. So stay tuned. Happy learning. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel Smart Kids Wonder. Thank you children and stay tuned for more videos on SST and other subjects.